This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can reset all settings on this drone. So to start, launch the settings, then select the About category, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find the Reset All Settings option. Tap on it, press Reset to confirm, and I'll allow anywhere between 5 to, I would say, 10 seconds for this process to be finished. And as you can see, it already is, or it already has been. And before we actually can call this process finished, we'll need for the aircraft to be restarted. So let's do precisely that. And that's it. As you can see, everything is flickering, which means that the settings were restored to their factory default values successfully. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.